Jump rope has been with boxing nearly since the beginning of the sport. All-time greats from the beginning of the sport to now still use this for cardio. The term "don't fix it if it ain't broken," when it comes to boxing, most people will say running or jump rope. Though jump rope is good for cardio, you can also get your timing and your rhythm from jump rope. This timing and rhythm also improves your footwork and your speed, which in effect increases the strength of your leg muscles, but I'm not going to get too far into that. In this video, I'll show you how to do the basics of jump rope. The only way to get better at jump rope, though, is to put more hours and time into it. No matter what type of style you have or what type of boxer you are, your movement is very crucial. That's why you should do jump rope daily. After the countless hours of training and repetition, you'll find yourself being able to do the fancy tricks as you can see in this video, but that comes in time. Keep these fundamentals in your mind as you jump rope, and you'll see yourself improve and become a better boxer all around. So the first step of jumping rope is you want to get a steady rhythm inside your head like a metronome. A good way to start so you don't whip or trip over yourself is with one hand, and when you feel comfortable, switch to the other one and switch simultaneously. For starters, when you jump rope, you want to rotate your hands clockwise. What many think is that it's forearm motion when it's really all just hand and wrist motion. Now we're going to explain how timing and rhythm comes into play. Now the jump rope's going to hit the floor first, kind of giving you a hint on when to jump. This is why I like the one hand method more, because sound travels faster than motion. What I mean by that is that you're going to hear the rope hit the floor before it hits your feet. Even though it's a fraction of a second, it's going to give you reaction time to jump over the rope. Also, the rotation of your wrist dictates the speed of your rhythm. Picture the rotation of your wrist and the rope hitting the floor as a metronome. No matter how fast or slow you go, you control when to jump. I'll show you an example of my timing and rhythm by displaying it like a metronome when the rope hits the floor. Though I was falling a little off track, I hope you understand that you create your rhythm and your timing when it comes to jump rope, and you get faster and better as time moves along. Once you get better, you'll be able to do it with both hands, one foot, alternating, simultaneously stepping, skipping, etc. Thanks again everyone for watching. If you got this far, I appreciate the support. I hope this was actually fruit for your mind and gives you some pointers on how to start exercising and start getting your rhythm down when it comes to jump rope. I should have said this disclaimer in the beginning of the video, but again, I'm no expert. I'm just taking everything I learned through my years of boxing and teaching it to you guys, and hope that you can use it and utilize it for tools to put in your toolbox. Or maybe you're a pro yourself and taking this as fruit for your mind to add to your arsenal. But either or, I hope that this knowledge is useful to you guys, because this is what I learned growing up in boxing, and this is how I was able to get my timing and rhythm down in place. Sorry tutorial 5 took so long, but these videos are actually really hard to make, so please give me a like and subscribe, guys. Take care.